Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to ReadPK, and today we will learn some new sentences. So before that, please like and subscribe to my channel. So let's start today, and let me share you. Okay, our first sentence of today is Mr., Miss, or it's a word used for surname Mr., Mrs., Miss. So Mr. is spoken in Arabic like Sayyid, Sayyidi, Ya Sayyid, Ya Sayyidi, Mr. Mrs. Sayyida, Sayyida, Al Unsa, Miss, Unsa, Al Unsa, Miss for lady. Okay, the next sentence is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you is a very common speaking sentence. So you can say it mutasharraf, mutasharraf or mutasharrafa bimarfatika. Nice you, nice to meet you. Marfatika is used for denoting yourself, you, the person you are saying. Mutasharrafa bimarfatika. So what will be its section in Arabic? We will use Google Translate. You can also say that the sharaf. Sharaf is a nice thing to be sharaf. It's my sharaf that I meet you. Honor, my honor. It is used for the sharaf. The sharaf, mera my sharaf. The sharaf, the sharafat بمقابلتك. By meeting you, بمقابلتك. Or saadat. It's an honor for me. Saadat بلقائك. Liqa is a meeting. بلقائك, meeting yourself. سعادة بلقائك. Or the tasharrafna. Tasharrafna is a very little one, and it is very easy to speak. So we can say we can use this one also. Tasharrafna. Okay, let's move forward. Sorry for pictures. I will update you soon. You are very kind. Anta Latif. Anti Latifa. Latifa is a joke. Anta, you. Latif, Anti Latifa. It is used for feminine, it is used for male, it's for female. When you are addressing some woman or women, like you say Anti, Anti. And for men, Anta Latif, Anti Latifa. What will be its accent? Ant Latif Jiddan. Ant Latif Jiddan. Very. Jidda is used for very. Very, very. So it will be. Okay. The last sentence of today is you are very kind. You are so kind, and this sense so. It's the same answer. So that is our third sentence of today. So where are you from? Yeah, this one. Where it's called? Yeah. Where are you from? Min aina anta? Which country or which place you are living? So you say where are you from? So you will say in Arabic like min ayi, which, min ayi, where, balad, country, country, ant, you, which country you are from. It is written this. Where are you from and which country you are from? Min ayi balad ant. Or min aina ant. Where are you from? Min aina ant. Another sentence may be min ayi baladati. Balad unti. Anti. Min ayi balad anti. What will be its accent? Okay. The next is aina taskun. Where is your living? It's you can say aina taskun. Taskun means a place where your house is and you are living. Aina taskun. Min aina ant min. Okay, these are some sentences, and I hope you will practice them daily. 5 to 10 times a day, and you should speak with some other in a group, like any other group, social groups, media groups, that will help you also. In future, I'll be thinking that I should make a group so we can share our sentences there, and accent also is necessary for someone listening you. And how can you yet understand it when you are not when your accent is not much like a native? So it is better for us. So be stay tuned with the ReadPK. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.